7 September, Thursday. Jesus calls you. Do not be afraid. You will be catching people from now on. Today's Gospel reading invites us to reflect upon our call. Each one of us is called for varied purposes. Today's reading highlights Jesus calling his first disciples. There is a common belief that all of us have a unique call in our life. Some are called to the priesthood, religious, parenthood, scientist, educationist, etc. There is always a risk when we make a new choice in life. Jesus calls his disciples to follow him. He invites them to make a change in their lifestyle. Instead of catching fish, he calls them to catch people. Jesus exhorts them not to be afraid of choosing to accept a new way of life. There is always fear and anxiety about what will happen to us because it is implanted in our minds that a current decision impacts our future. Today's Gospel reminds us that every day is a challenge to live out our calling prudently. Even though there are challenges, we can submit ourselves to God's plan. God has a plan for each one of us. He invites us to live out that call which is promising. One's call can be realized by leaving everything and surrendering to the will of God, like that of the disciples. Through the Gospel, Jesus invites us to know our call to live meaningfully. Pray and practice. Lord, we thank you for everything we receive. Bless us to recognize your loving presence wherever we go, and give your confirmation to know that we are following you on the right path.